absolutely love this portable kettle. It's so convenient, and I love the little decal on the front. It's got a carrying handle, which is convenient when I am traveling, and it actually does boil your water up in a decent time frame. I ran the timer, and it took it from cold to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the boil temperature, in just under 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So very happy with that. The capacity is a good size. It's 400 milliliters, which is a good amount for me. I'm not sure if you guys can see the steam that's actually coming off of it, but it does actually boil the water, which is awesome. Just gonna fill it up, see if you can actually see it. And yeah, it has a max fill line on the inside, so you know exactly how high to fill it up. And like I said, awesome capacity. And especially for me, when I have to travel for work, I usually have to boil the coffee machine like several times in order to just get the coffee taste out of a hotel coffee maker in order to make myself a morning tea. So just having this already saves so much time in my day, and I can just have it boil while I'm getting ready. So very handy, like I said. I would definitely recommend it. And as you can see, it also just allows you to use different temperature settings as well. And in order to operate it, it's a simple push of the button. So convenient.
I'm not sure what's going on. It's set to 176, but it keeps climbing here.